Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to make this super delicious and also refresh drinks for the summertime. And actually I've done a video similar to this with 5 hot drinks for the fall time, so if you're interested in that, it will be linked down below as well as in the eye. And then if you want to know how to make these drinks, just keep on watching. So the first drink I'm going to be showing you guys is this caramel latte, and I'm literally obsessed with it. So first thing you're going to need is a mug, then of course a cappuccino, then some milk, some coffee, and of course we can't forget about the caramel, and then a tablespoon. So first thing you want to do is just go ahead, add your cappuccino mixture inside of the mug, add a little bit of milk, and then stir it all together. And basically I'm just keeping this process, adding milk, stirring, and make sure that all the mixture is completely dissolved. Then of course you gotta add also some coffee in there. Keep stirring, and then last but not least, once everything is dissolved, go ahead with the caramel. And there you go. Sit back and enjoy. Then the next drink I'm gonna be showing you guys is this lemon granita, which I'm all about in the summertime. So of course for this one all you're gonna need is a glass, some water, some lemons, and then of course a little bit of sugar as well. And basically this is something that you need to make in advance, so just go ahead and squeeze your lemon with this thing here, and then you have to put 1 part of lemons juice, 1 part of water, and then half of the sugar. Put that in the freezer and leave it overnight, but make sure to stir it every 1-2 hours to make sure that you just don't get one blocked of ice, because we don't want that. We want a nice granita. So just sit back and enjoy. Next up is one of my favorites. This is a lemon peach tea, and it tastes delicious. So for this one you're gonna need a glass. I decided to go ahead with a jar, then some peach tea, some lemon granita, but you could use iced instead, and then of course a lemon and a peach. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is like cutting the lemons and the peach and putting them inside of this jar, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill the jar with a little bit of lemon granita that I made earlier. If you don't have a lemon granita, you can totally go ahead and add ice cube instead. I think that's a great solution. It will be also super refresh. Then of course go ahead, add your peach tea inside, and if you want, as a final touch, you can also go ahead and add even more lemon granita or ice cubes as you wish. Then this next one is always one of my favorites, and it's the strawberry milkshake. So it's also super easy to do. All you're gonna need is a mug, then some milk, and then some ice cream. I choose strawberry flavor, but you can literally choose whichever flavor you want. So all I'm gonna do is put the ice cream inside of this tall jar, just because I'm going to mix it all together. So add a little bit of milk, and then just go ahead with one of these things and mix it all. And basically you can add more or less milk. That's just about your preference and how thick you want your milkshake to be. I like mine to be in the average, so that's it. The next up, there's this Shrub's orange juice, and once again super easy to do. All you're gonna need is a glass. I got this one, which looks super cool, then a juice, and then of course your Shrubs, and we can't forget about the small glass. So basically this is a very nice refresh drink. You know, we're just gonna basically have a twist, but still be in a healthy side, because we haven't drink a whole glass of Shrubs, you know. Anyway, you can also add like as many Shrubs and juice as you want. You don't have to do like the measurement that I've done. You can also do half and half as you wish. And not gonna lie, I was really scared when I was doing this operation right here because I thought that I was spilling it everywhere, but hey, I haven't. So there we go, this was the 5th drink that I'm gonna show you guys, and you should definitely try this out because it definitely tastes delicious and it was super easy to do. So here we are, those were all the 5 drinks that I wanted to show you guys today. If you made to this point of the video, please comment down below which drink is your favorite. So be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And like I said, if you missed the first video where I show you guys 5 hot drinks options, that will be linked in the eye. Be sure to go and check it out. Other than that, I will see you guys next time. Bye!